is a friends only that I made. This is a friends plus that I made. So no. And if she does, I'm gonna have to kick her. Well, I can do if I want. I don't have effects, so yeah. I don't. You make one more sound effect. I have you on my list, and I see you right now, and if you try escape, I still have you. Don't. Do not try to test anger, buddy. Do not test my anger.
This guy's like, don't test my anger, buddy. Don't test my anger. He's like this.
Don't test my anger, buddy.
Someone goes in that fucking portal. I will have to kick them.
What?
Don't go in that portal, or else I'm gonna kick you.
What portal? Buddy really went to that portal. What? This guy, bro. This guy's like a lot of, this. Oh my god. I need to go to like a different account. Jesus Christ. Ooh. How about you guys join? Friend that guy. Please remember to friend that guy. If you're rewatching this, please friend that guy and swear a lot today. Thank you for watching. Please be on VRChat right now. Friend my account called Blabla. Please. It's like this.
Don't test my anger, buddy.
Don't test my anger. PNG. Hold on. Let me fit. Looks like a. Ooh. Hey. Hold on. I still have him friended. AA Funder. Join him, but I'm gonna be kicked. Don't test my anger, buddy. Don't test my anger. My turn. Yo, hold on. Where the hell's that one guy? Chum. Hey, there's a lot of this guy.
Don't test my anger, buddy. Buddy, don't give me mad. I'm about to get mad. Don't test me. Don't test me.
What did he look like? He looked like a Freddy for some reason. Yeah. What? What? You're not coming to my party? Bethany.
Hello. Okay, please,
Is that Peter Griffin as Gojo? Wait. Hold on. Yo, I think I know you. It's Yo.
What?
My alt account is blah blah. It's you.
Give me that emoji.
Yes, it's me the emoji everyone.
What do you mean?
Yo, guess what, guys? Guess what? Yo, Invader, guess what? I got banned before I'm using this.
Sorry, alright. Yeah, I'm out.
I got banned because Buddy was like using this.
Don't test my anger, buddy.
How'd you get banned for that?
I don't know, bro. It said, do not play random sounds, otherwise I'll kick you. Don't test me, or something. I don't know. Like, bro, I just really want to tell him. Like, bro. This guy was like yapping a lot. That's my anger, buddy.
I have a bad time with phone.
Cut.
Test my anger, buddy.
What?
Buddy, don't give me mad. I'm about to get mad. Don't test.
What the hell were you doing, Invader?
Wait, not tree lovers?
Did you just burn?
No, I'm not. Oh.
Did you just?
4 of my group.
Yeah. Let's go, gang.
Oh. Let me try to get that narco group.
It's not far from my here, but
Yeah.
okay.
Bio. I'm gonna read your bio.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yoink.
Right here, they can just go for the next guns.
Stalkers out here.
I just like guns.
I wonder which that group. I'm gonna take that.
I know.
That's why I'm in different
Is in the BFDI group.
What?
And I know how you like her, bro.
Oh, the prototype domain. Yeah, I guess I'm in that one.
Thank you for that group, idiot.
But I'm just gonna take your drone. I love the murder drones one. It's just Uzi having a waffle. Uzi's so cute with it.
Give me some money. Give me some money. Drive it.
Oh, where did Sonic go? Sonic's right over there.
Why do you need help with?
By the way,
Larry the Cage.
Poppy playtime, bro.
Yeah.
It's my anger, buddy. Buddy, don't give me mad.
Big shot Spamton in case you know Delta Room. Let's get a clock.
Oh shit!
Time for that.
Yo, clock. Show me the.
Show me that. Can I see that?
Sure.
I wanna see that, bro.
He went to the bands.
Show me that. No, yes, no.
And you saw
What the fuck?
Nah, Miles Bean.
Here. I think I have it. Hold on. Here.
Let's go. It's the.
Also, quick question. Quick question. This is Zam, by the way. He's that's a good thing. Look, see?
Test my anger, buddy. Buddy, don't give me mad.
you should have no
God damn, I'm lagging.
Why is everyone?
I knew you were gonna do it.
Is that the guy from the PlayStation one? Is that the PlayStation guy? What's it called again? I forgot. But it's Peak.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yo, Invader. Guess what, right? Yo, I'm gonna say an obvious question. Look.
Are you gay?
Because I'm gonna test that. Come on, follow me. Yo, guess what, guys? Yo, you, yes. Quick question.
Are you gay?
Quick question. Are
you gay? Are you gay?
I'm like behind you, by the way. Behind you.
My mustard.
Ever said
Why would I get a job when I can live with my mom? I'm a child, I'm a fat little
chud. I got nothing to do, so I go to a dud. I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a bad little chud. I can't see my own meat, fill my stomach with treats. I'm a chud, yes it's true. I got Discord and I'm ready to. I'm a chud, don't you forget it. Mess with my kid and I'm going to Reddit. I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a bad little chud. I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a bad little chud.
Dang, is it killing my pain? The eyebrows. Yeah, I
You're pushing my
eyebrows.
down here. Oh, it's just a PNG or something like that.
It's just a PNG, bro. What's wrong with ISO speed?
Calm down. And deal, bro.
Turning it off, bro.
Bro,
Ah,
just have it
pickle 'em.
thing. Stop messing with me.
Buddy, you sound like this, bro. You sound like this.
I'm a chud.
Like, for real, for real. Yo, can you make that sound? Can you make this sound effect?
Don't test my anger, buddy.
No.
Of course you're gonna, because you got ISO speed, you idiot.
That thing
Just to tell you,
has been
when you move back, your titties are misplaced and they put on your forehead.
That's just crazy.
Titties.
Yo, let me see that.
Oh, I can extend my titties. Watch.
Let me see. That's just crazy. Use your ultimate panic.
Feel like that, bro. I can extend my titties. Hi, friends. Hi. I just built different.
He just built different.
God, why?
People are singing so awfully these days. I'm just gonna, Yo, guys. Yo, can you make the sound effect? Yo. That's not very nice. Yo, Jumbo. What the hell's Jumbo?
Right here.
Where?
Okay,
I'm such a blind out.
body.
Oh my god, is that coming now? Anyways. Can you make the sound effect?
Don't test my anger, buddy.
Get on my.
Look like I have a soundboard.
No, I'm good.
No.
Oh shit! Oh.
So it could be somewhere around. I can't.
I'm gonna get kicked for dropping this portal for sure.
Wait, what? Hey, wait, what's this? Yeah, my thing's gonna be crashed. What the hell? I'm a chill. Hold on, let me test this.
Don't test my anger, buddy. Buddy, don't get me mad.